Hello everyone. Welcome to today's micro class. In our busy modern lives, pour-over coffee has gained popularity as a cherished daily ritual for many. It's not just a refreshing beverage, but an art form and lifestyle statement. To brew the perfect pour-over coffee, you need proper equipment, tools and quality ingredients. This lesson will guide you into the world of pour-over coffee, from equipment to ingredients. Let's analyze its secrets one by one. First, let's discuss the pour-over kettle, the essential water pouring tool. Its design and quality significantly impact the coffee's flavor and extraction. Pour-over kettles are meticulously designed, with particularly slender spouts that help us precisely control water flow and direction when brewing coffee. Steady, even water flow is crucial. It ensures uniform coffee grounds extraction. Kettles are typically made of stainless steel, glass, or ceramic. These materials withstand high heat and are easy to clean. Capacity usually ranges from 0.5 to 1.2 liters. You can choose based on your personal needs and habits. We recommend selecting kettles with digital temperature control for precise water temperature regulation. This prevents water that's too hot or cold from affecting the coffee's taste. The grinder is key for transforming coffee beans into ideal pour-over grounds. Common types include manual and electric grinders. Manual grinders require hand cranking to grind beans. Though slightly more labor-intensive, they offer better control over the grinding process and are more eco-friendly. Electric grinders use motorized operation for quick, effortless grinding, ideal for daily heavy use with adjustable grind settings. Is the key step to ensure coffee flavor and quality. When adjusting, first you need to determine the desired grind size you require. This depends on your coffee extraction method and personal taste preference. When adjusting the grind setting, it's recommended to make only minor adjustments each time, followed by actual grinding tests. Observe the coarseness of the coffee grounds through repeated adjustments and testing. You can gradually find the optimal grind size for your current coffee beans and extraction method. Note that different brands and models of grinders may have different calibration systems and adjustment methods. Therefore, when making adjustments, always refer to the grinder's manual. Additionally, the freshness of coffee beans, roast level, and variety also affect the ideal grind size. Thus, these factors should be considered comprehensively in practice. Next, let's see what equipment we need. Pour-over coffee requires a dripper, filter paper, electronic scales, thermometers. Before filter paper and drippers existed, people drank unfiltered coffee. Coffee grounds severely affected the taste. Melita Bentz was from a small German town and loved drinking coffee. One day in 1908, Melita had a brilliant idea. She punched small holes in a brass pot bottom and placed her son's blotting paper on top. The filtered coffee tasted excellent, thus inventing the paper-filtered coffee method, marking the birth of the world's first coffee dripper. After continuous improvements, in 1912, the Melita named coffee filter officially went into production in Germany. Received patent approval in 1937. Since then, pour-over coffee began gaining worldwide popularity, influencing coffee culture. The coffee dripper is the core equipment for pour-over. Various types of drippers are available on the market. Made of ceramic, metal, resin materials with single hole or multiple hole designs. The V60 dripper is beloved by coffee enthusiasts worldwide for its excellent performance and versatility. The shape and material of the dripper affect coffee extraction speed and flavor profile. Different drippers suit different brewing methods. Therefore, we should choose a dripper based on our brewing preferences and coffee bean characteristics. The filter effectively separates coffee grounds from water, efficiently filtering out coffee residue to prevent grounds from entering the brew, ensuring every sip of coffee remains pure and clean. Filter paper shapes include cone filters, flat bottom filters, and wedge filters. When selecting filter paper, consider material quality and thickness to ensure proper filtration and durability, and match it with your dripper. The origin and evolution of pour-over equipment represents a significant chapter in coffee culture. They revolutionized coffee preparation and propelled coffee culture's global spread. Today, pour-over coffee has become a worldwide coffee phenomenon, deeply cherished by coffee aficionados. Digital scale to maintain consistent coffee-to-water ratios each brew. A precise digital scale is essential for measuring coffee and water. This ensures we can produce pour-over coffee with consistent flavor. Choose a scale that measures grams and includes a timer function. A thermometer helps precisely control water temperature during brewing. Before temperature-controlled kettles, this was crucial for pour-over preparation. Finally, let's discuss ingredients. Quality ingredients are fundamental to pour-over. Coffee beans and water quality are key factors affecting flavor. Premium coffee beans form the foundation of excellent pour-over coffee. High-quality beans deliver rich flavors and aromas. Enhance your coffee tasting experience with delightful enjoyment. When selecting coffee beans, we can choose based on personal taste preferences, the origin of the beans, roast level, and other factors. Pure water may sound simple, but water quality is crucial for coffee flavor. We recommend using purified water or filtered water for brewing to ensure coffee purity and taste. After learning about pour-over equipment and ingredients, we can begin enjoying the pour-over coffee making process. Prepare tools: gooseneck kettle, filter cup, filter, scale, thermometer, coffee beans, grinder. Measure coffee beans based on desired strength and filter size. Use a scale to weigh appropriate beans. Grind coffee beans. Grind to medium fine consistency for optimal flavor extraction. Fold and place filter paper. Fold filter paper into the cup, ensuring tight fit with filter. Wet filter paper with hot water to remove paper taste and improve filter fit. Preheat server carafe by pouring hot water in. This also brings water to ideal brewing temperature. Add ground coffee. Pour grounds into filter and verify weight with scale. Begin brewing. Using gooseneck kettle, pour thin stream. Starting from filter center, ensure all grounds are saturated. Then pour evenly in circular motion. For full extraction, control extraction time based on bean type and grind size. Adjust brewing time, typically around 2 minutes. Remove filter. When extraction is complete, remove filter. To prevent over-dripping, pour coffee. Transfer coffee from server to cup and enjoy. Through this lesson, essential equipment for pour-over coffee, tools and ingredients, not only allows precise control over coffee brewing parameters, but also reflects human pursuit of perfection in coffee making. Choosing proper tools not only improves efficiency, but also ensures coffee quality and flavor. Therefore, when using pour-over equipment, tools and selecting ingredients, observe carefully. Understand the connection between precision and aesthetics, improve creativity and practical skills in coffee making.